Hey everyone, welcome back to RBP Security YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into an advanced post-exploitation technique, lateral movement to cloud using Pass-the-PRT attack. In this video, we will break down what a primary refresh token is, how attackers can extract and abuse it, and step by step, how the Pass-the-PRT technique can be used to gain unauthorized access to Microsoft 365 and Azure and bypass MFA and impersonate the user in cloud. This is a critical topic for both offensive and defensive security professionals. So stick around if you want to understand how attackers move from on-prem to cloud environment. Let's get started. So what is a primary reference token? A primary reference token is an authentication token issued by Azure Active Directory when a user logs in into Azure AD-joined computer. It enables seamless single sign-on to Microsoft 365 apps. The PRT is stored in memory and it is protected by TPAPI. And then how it works, we are going to discuss this in the next slide. And the key feature of PRT is it is a JWT based token. It supports SSO and it automatically renews in 14 days. So let's go and understand the PRT workflow. When a user signs into Windows device and if that device is Azure AD-joined, then Entra ID will issue PRT. Entra ID is also known as Azure AD. Then the PRT is stored in device memory. It is protected by DP API and it is bound to the device and the user session. So the third step is there any security risk? Yes. If attacker gains access to local admin on that computer, he can extract the PRT and he can use that PRT to access the cloud resource. Okay. So how he can use it? He can use the PRT, he can request the tokens, and then he will be able to access all the cloud services, including Azure Portal, Microsoft 365, Azure AD, Entra ID, anything. He can repeat the same process and he can do whatever he wants until he signs out and the season ends. So now let's go and check the workflow. We have already covered what is PRT, so let's go and check if the device is Azure AD-joined or not. So this is the computer which we are going to use, and let's go and run this command. So as you can see, the device is Azure AD-joined. It says Azure AD-joined, and yes, it is also a domain joined device. The hostname of this computer is Workstations region, and our on-prem domain is marvel.local. If you scroll down, you can see the tenant details that it joined to. The tenant name is Azure Pentest, and this is the tenant ID. Scroll down even more, you can see the SSO state. So it says Azure Ready PRT. That means we are using SSO to log into the Microsoft accounts. And now let's go perform the next attack. So before even requesting the PRT using road token tool, we are going to create a nonce, and then we will use that nonce to request the token. So let's go and request the nonce first. Then you have it, the nonce is there. Now we just have to run road token.txt with the nonce and we will have the token. And as you can see, we have the PRT, right? Now the next step is to import the token into the browser. So to import it, we will have to have a cookie editor. If you don't have cookie editor, you can use DevTools, but it is recommended to you have the cookie editor to import the token. So let's go to the Firefox. I have cookie editor, but I'm going to show you. Yeah. So this is a cookie editor which you can download. It is available for all the browsers. In our case, we are using Firefox, so we have this cookie editor already installed. Right. So let's go there, and we have to open the cookie editor and add the cookie. So let's go to Firefox. Before even going there, we need this URL, loginmicrosoftonline.com. Let's go there. And as you can see, we are not logged in, right? That we are not logged in. So we are going to go to the cookie editor. We will delete all the cookies and we will try to add. So before adding, we are going to copy the cookie from here. This is the portion which is the actual cookie. And we will go back to Firefox, click here, click add, paste it this. And the name of the cookie is XMS refresh token credential. So set to save, open it again, click on the advanced, show advanced, and just remove this path and just click forward slash and just choose, click on these two, secure and register account. Now save it. Now just click on this wire and refresh the page. And there you go. We are logged into the Microsoft 365 cloud. It's loading, but let's wait. So as you can see, we are logged in as Tony Stark, right? And now if you go and access the Azure portal, you will be able to log in. In this case, we bypassed MFA. We did not need any credential, and we are directly logged into the Microsoft 365 as Tony Stark user, as well as inside the Microsoft Azure. And as you can see here, it says PS Talk. The tenant is Azure Pinterest, and if you hover over here, you can see that your sign-in used Microsoft my multi-factor authentication. So now we are in the Microsoft Azure. We can do a lot of post-exploitation attack here. We can enumerate everything which we have access to, and we can check all the services. So first, we are going to check storage account. In this one, we can see that there is a bucket, a storage account actually, which is named as super secret bucket, right? We can click on there and we can go to the browser, storage browser. We can click on the blob container and we will see that there is a new container inside this blob. And inside that container, there will be some file. As you can see, there is a file which was uploaded on 20th of June. So this is the whole post-exploitation attack. In this video, we demonstrated how a primary preface token PRT can be used for post-exploitation and lateral movement from on-prem to cloud after gaining access to an Azure AD-joined device. We showed how to extract the token using root token and use it to log in as the user without their password, bypassing MFA. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and informative. If you have any questions or would like to see more detailed tutorials, feel free to leave us a comment below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep learning. IBT Security, thinking like hackers to protect as experts.